Hey guys, today we are here in Escapuri. This is in Portugal, near Lisbon, around 50 kilometers, something like that. It's in the Tejo River upstream. There's this island called the Heron Island. Maybe you can guess why it's called the Heron Island. It's completely full of nesting herons. This is May, so they nest around April, May, June, the latest. So it should be full of baby herons, maybe. Lots of other birds here as well. We're gonna take that electric boat over there. The boat driver should be getting here any time now, so it's a completely silent boat. The river is like a mirror, so I'm hoping to get some spectacular shots today. I'm gonna film the whole trip, so you can come with us. Just stay along and enjoy the ride. Come on. We just finished the bird watching tour. It was amazing. We got to see some baby herons, lots and lots of different kinds of birds, even some eagles and lots of baby birds. I took a ton of photos. It's going to take me, I don't know, a few weeks to process all of it. We got invited to go on the next tour, which is actually good because I didn't get to film any of this tour at all besides the little GoPro that I had set up. Because I was so preoccupied on getting good photos that I didn't film at all. So hopefully we'll get to film some more on this tour and you guys get to see more of this wonderful, wonderful place that we're in right now, and I'll get to share it with you guys. So let's go on the next tour. Well, I just finished both tours and they were amazing. On the first tour we were just around the Heron Island taking photos of birds. On the second tour we took like this really long tour around the whole river. We saw eagles, all different kinds of birds, and I have like over 5,000 photos I have to go through now. I finished one card, so then I was using another card for redundancy, so I had to get that card, format it and use it because I was all out of space. And so it's like near, I imagine, 6,000 photos right now, so I've got to go through. It was so worth it. So if you've ever been to Portugal, come here to Escapuri and get the boat tour, or if you have the chance to take another boat tour somewhere else in the world, where you can see birds up close and personal, closing to the nesting sites. Make sure you do, because better than buying gear is buying experiences. This was a hell of an experience, for real. So, see you next time. Bye.